In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily leave a note on Instagram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Instagram app, and when we are on an Instagram, all we have to do is just go to our DMs. Right here, as you can see, it says your note, and all we have to do in order to leave a note is just tap at that plus sign, and after that we can enter any text here up to 60 characters, like my note. I can enter it, and then we can also set privacy settings for that note, so we can tap right here, and then we can choose one of two categories, like followers you follow back and close friends. After that, to share a note, tap at share. That's how you can easily leave a note on Instagram.